Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti JX35 headlight bulb. Before starting, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. You'll need a few basic tools, primarily a flathead screwdriver, and of course, your replacement headlight bulb. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and quicker for you. Now let's get to the headlight. You'll need to remove some plastic clips and covers to gain access to the headlight assembly. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry up the clips. Once the covers are off, you should see the back of the headlight housing. Look for a circular dust cap, which protects the bulb from moisture and debris. With the dust cap removed, you can now access the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by gently pulling it away from the bulb. Next, release the metal retaining clips that hold the bulb in its socket. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical connector. Then, securely replace the dust cap, twisting it clockwise until it's tight. Before putting everything back together, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. Once confirmed, reattach all the plastic covers and clips you removed earlier, making sure they are firmly in place for a complete job.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.